All right, it's a Weather Bug Wednesday. Glad you're with us and making us a regular stop. As we take you out into next week, we are going to be cooling down, but in the shorter term, a severe weather threat popping up today and tomorrow, and looking at a storm system to be affecting places in the southwest. Something that we haven't seen much of is copious amounts of precipitation down here, and the Sierra Nevada range could actually pick up some pretty decent snowfall. Well, yesterday, Phoenix up to 97, 76 in Wichita, 61 in Chicago, Orlando at 82, Miami at 85. Temperatures out there today cooler in the Ohio Valley and into the Midwest Great Lakes region, about 10 to almost 20 degrees cooler than average, and then seeing some slight cooling as we take you into the day tomorrow in some of those same areas. But the temperature trend heading into next week looking a little colder for the eastern two-thirds of the nation. Here comes a storm system, maybe cold enough for some snow along the international border late this week. But here's that bigger storm system, and notice this big cutoff low that develops, and that'll be tugging down some colder air by next week. So once again, the eastern two-thirds of the nation colder than average. Nice to see some sunshine popping back out in the eastern half of the country, but here's your next developing storm system, and this storm brings us a severe threat today. Hail, high winds, and an isolated tornado from Nebraska all the way down to central Texas there. By tomorrow, that severe threat shifts from Memphis to Little Rock to near Shreveport, so a little bit less of a severe weather threat. But our forecast shows that pretty active storm system developing in the midsection of the nation. Notice there also the snow on the northern flank of it. Could be talking about several inches of snow across the far north, and then that next storm by this upcoming weekend in the central part of the country. Well, where you see the yellows, that's about an inch or more of total liquid precipitation. Snowfall again to the far north looking a little more impressive, and those temperatures again staying chilly to the far north.